Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection problem with your JVC earbuds. Okay, so as you can see in my case they cannot communicate with my Android phone, and I'm going to show you simply how you can fix this problem. So first of all, I can recommend you to go back from the Bluetooth and simply power it off, just to do quick reset of the Bluetooth settings, so turn them off. Next, you have to find out if they are turned on or turned off, I mean your earbuds. So click on these buttons right here. When the indicator is not activated, it means that the device is turned off. So right now we have to click and hold both earbuds right here until these indicators, one of them will start blinking quickly on the red and the white, and the second will only blinks white. So let's do this right now. Click and hold. Keep holding. As you can see, the left one is blinking quickly, so we have to release both buttons. The right one is also blinking on the white. So right now, open the Bluetooth settings on your phone, go for pair new device. As you can see right now, they are another time for available devices list. Select them. Accept pairing request, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.